Essential understanding. I can explain why two fractions are equivalent even though the numerators and denominators are different. In this lesson, we will use division and models to find equivalent fractions. Look at the bar model that represents 4/10, and look at the bar model that represents 2/5. In what way are they equal? Equivalent fractions name the same amount but have different numerators and denominators. This model is divided into 10 equal parts. Out of 10 parts, 4 parts are shaded. The shaded section shows the fraction 4 out of 10 or 4/10. To find an equivalent fraction using division, you have to figure out how many equal groups can be put back together to make larger size groups. Let's start by partitioning the tenths into 2 equal groups. Partitioning of the tenths would give us an equivalent bar model of fifths. In this example, 2 groups are being put back into 1. The 2 groups that are being put back together represents the common factor of the numerator 4 and the denominator 10. The numerator of 4 will be put back into 2 larger groups as well. These 2 larger groups would represent 2 out of 5 or 2/5. In order to find the common factors of 4 and 10, we would list the factors of 4. 1, 2, 4, and the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10. The common factor of 4 and 10 is 2. Now let's use that common factor to divide the 4 and the 10 by 2. 4/10 divided by 2/2 or 2/2 equals 2/5.